Hey guys, welcome to another video with the crypto movement. My name's Peter, and today we're going to talk about the crypto news today, as well as what's going on with Ripple and the lawsuit and what they're really forecasting for the XRP coin. And we're going to dive into that. But before we do, please smash that like button. When you hit that like button, it tells YouTube that this information is important and it allows more people a chance to be able to see and benefit from this information. So if you wouldn't mind, tap that like button. And also consider subscribing if you're interested in anything crypto. That's what we talk about on this channel. All things crypto, things that are going on in the news, and things that would be helpful for you guys as investors to be able to, point you in the right direction. Now, I do want to say that I'm not a professional trader. I'm not, a financial planner or anything like that. So don't take my words for, any kind of buying or selling advice. I'm just here to entertain, but hopefully you gain value from this. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start right here with CoinMarketCap, kind of looking at what the market is showing. And some is just, it's a hit or miss. I had done a video earlier today, if you hadn't seen it yet, on what was going on with the relistings of Shiba Inu going to Binance and Coinbase, or Binance USA and Coinbase, which is huge news. So what we'll do to start, I want to go ahead and go over to Twitter here off of Moon Lambo. Shout out to you, by the way. He had posted a video from Bank XRP, and this is an interview with Senator Toomey talking about, the differences with where they're at with the securities in the crypto market and what Gary Gensler is saying about crypto and just some of their differences. So let's take a look at this.
I have to say, Gary Gensler is a very serious guy on these matters. MIT educator, or former professor on some of these things, was teaching classes on this. You're very serious about these issues too, and yet you don't see eye to eye with some of these issues. You're both people I take seriously, though. What do you fault Gary Gensler on when it comes to some of these things?
Yeah, so if you listen to the exchange that I had with Chairman Gensler yesterday, a big part of it was the fact that the SEC has not laid out clear guidelines on what kinds of cryptocurrencies they view as securities, right? Their regulatory regime is limited to securities and platforms that trade securities. Well, if cryptocurrencies, or at least certain cryptocurrencies, are not securities, then the SEC doesn't currently have legislative authority to regulate them. Now, maybe you can make a case that we ought to change that. We can have that conversation. But here's what concerns me. Chairman Gensler will acknowledge that, say, Bitcoin and Ethereum certainly are not securities. Certainly they look more like commodities. He'll acknowledge that. But then he'll say that stablecoins pretty much are securities. But if you ask me, they don't actually meet the test, the legal test for what constitutes a security. So I'm just asking the SEC to provide some clarity. Let us know. Why do you think this is a security? What are the characteristics of a cryptocurrency that make it a security so that people will know? And then let the laws, enforce the laws. Maybe we need to make some changes. I'm not in the camp that thinks that there should never be any kind of regulation over any cryptocurrency. That's not my position at all. But I do think there needs to be transparency and objectivity about what we're doing here. And the SEC is taking enforcement actions without first having laid out how they interpret, how they apply existing securities law to this really, really important and innovative new category of finance.
So that's from CNBC News. Just going over what the situation is, kind of the holdup with Gensler talking about, hey, these other coins are securities. And so, yeah, we're holding off for XRP and hoping they come up with some sort of clarity soon so we kind of know what the next move is. So I want to share that with you guys. This was really interesting. I wanted to share from cryptobriefing.com. It says XRP network activity soars as top trader turns bullish. It says one of the most renowned analysts in the industry maintains that XRP is primed to resume its uptrend. So in this article, they just talk about XRP's price action seems to be contained within a tight range. A weekly close outside the $1.72 to $1 pocket will determine the direction of the trend, and renowned analyst Peter Brandt appears to be leaning bullish while on-chain activities explode. So let's get into that. So it says here, XRP well positioned for new all-time highs. Ripple XRP token could be ready to make a bullish run, which we are all waiting for, especially with what's going on with the lawsuit with the SEC right now. I know I'm ready for this to take off. So, according to 40-year trading veteran Peter Brandt, XRP's price action is constructively governed by a multi-year head and shoulders pattern that has formed on its weekly chart. So here he's talking about this here. It says this is potentially a constructive long-term chart. That's what it shows. It says the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap skyrocketed by a massive 230% in late March. That was huge. Marking the breakout of the consolidation pattern, then XRP reversed to the head and shoulders neckline at 61 cents to shake out some of the so-called weak hands. Yeah, we know about that. So it says the price bounced back, have bounced back above the dollar psychological level since July 20th, where the asset is currently consolidating. So it's just been kind of hovering in around that area. It says the Fibonacci retracement indicator measured from the April 14th high of $1.96 to June 22nd low of 51 cents suggests that XRP is currently stuck in a tight range. The 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $1.17 is acting as resistance, while the 50% retracement level at $1 is containing prices from a steep decline. A decisive weekly candlestick close above the overhead barrier could signal the resumption of the uptrend. Under such unique circumstances, XRP could enter a new uptrend to meet the target of the head and shoulders pattern to 342. So this is going to be pretty interesting to see what takes place. It said here with the network activity, it says when considering the rising number of active addresses on the XRP network, the bullish thesis holds. Roughly 6,700 addresses are interacting with the network, representing a 394% jump from last week. So there's a lot of activity. So I thought that was interesting. Again, this is from Crypto Briefing. And then lastly, I wanted to go over here. This is from crowdwisdom.live. It says XRP price prediction and forecast. Will XRP crash? So they talk here about XRP, the XRP price prediction. XRP has been hovering around the $1.10 for the last few days, and there has been no sign of price rise. Added to it, in a recent development, SEC has once again denied documents to Ripple. In a letter to Judge Sarah Netburn, the SEC claims that all the documents are privileged and protected by the deliberate process privilege, or DPP. Ripple is expected to file a motion against the regulator's stand. However, this move of SEC has once again created panic among the investors. I know I'm just going to be holding, so that's my stance. No advice. That's just what I'm doing. So the new support for XRP is not very encouraging. The declining support price of XRP indicates the next crash or XRP, which may push it below $1. So that's their take on it. So we'll see. That goes into talking about, what's going on with the SEC. And I wanted to make a note down here because I had mentioned this in an earlier video about the Coinbase situation. It says XRP price prediction and forecast. Is Coinbase relisting XRP? So there was a situation that I had mentioned in a former video. It said on the 9th of September, Coinbase Pro exchange started showing XRP trading pairs with a couple of these. It showed Coinbase had previously removed XRP for trading on its platform due to the ongoing legal battle between XRP and Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of course. Due to this, the price of XRP rose almost 13%, but Coinbase denied the relisting rumors after the clarification the price of XRP again fell by 10%. Coinbase, through its Twitter handle, wrote, as previously announced, Coinbase has suspended trading in XRP due to technical issue. XRP was temporarily viewable on Coinbase Pro Mobile for some customers, but was not tradable. So there you have it. It's the rumors were out that Coinbase was listing. They say it was just a technical error, but hopefully they get it back on soon. So what do you guys think about it so far? Do you guys think that they're going to be relisted soon? Do you think that XRP will be dealing with this SEC situation and wrapping that up soon? What do you guys think? I'd love to know. Leave in the comments below, and definitely smash the like button if you found this helpful and so more people can see this. And hopefully you got some value out of this, and we will catch you guys on the next video.